In this quick video, I'll show you how to change the color of a solid in After Effects. After opening After Effects, I'll create a new composition. I'll keep the default settings and click OK. Now I'll right-click in the timeline, the power, choose New, and then Solid. Here, you can choose the size and the color of the solid. I'll keep the size as is, choose a color, and click OK. If you want to change the color later, make sure the solid layer is selected. Go to Layer, then Solid Settings, or use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus Y. From here, you can pick a new color and click OK. Make sure Make Comp Size is enabled if you want the solid to fill the composition. And that's how you change the color of a solid in After Effects. If you're new to After Effects, start with the After Effects Basics tutorial for beginners. It explains compositions, layers, and key concepts that make tutorials like this much easier to follow.